Ever wondered how data scientists turn raw data into actionable insights? It's all thanks to the data science life cycle. This process, which any data scientist, beginner or expert follows, helps in understanding, cleaning, and analyzing data. It's like a roadmap guiding data scientists from a sea of information to a focused, useful insight. It's a fascinating journey, and understanding it is crucial for anyone involved in data science. Now, let's delve into each stage of the data science life cycle. First things first, data science begins with understanding the problem. This initial stage, often overlooked, is the foundation upon which the entire data science life cycle is built. It's all about defining the problem and setting clear objectives. You see, without a well-defined problem, the subsequent stages might lead us astray, leaving us with beautifully crafted solutions to the wrong questions. Now, this isn't just about identifying a problem. It's about understanding the business context in which the problem exists. What are the key challenges the business faces? What are the potential opportunities? And most importantly, what data do we need to solve this problem? This is where our understanding of the problem intersects with data availability and relevance. But remember, the goal isn't just to solve a problem, it's to solve the right problem. And to do that, we need to start with a clear, well-articulated understanding of what that problem is. Once the problem is well-defined, we can move on to the next stage, data collection. The second stage of the life cycle is data collection. This is where we roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty, diving deep into the world of data. It's much like a treasure hunt, where the treasure is high-quality, relevant data. The quality of this data will greatly influence the results of our analysis, so it's crucial we choose our sources wisely. Our toolbox is filled with a variety of methods for data collection. There are databases brimming with information waiting to be discovered. APIs, or application programming interfaces, provide a structured way to retrieve data from online services. And then there's web scraping, a technique used to extract large amounts of data from websites quickly. Each method has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice will depend on our specific needs. But regardless of the method, the goal is the same: to gather the most relevant and reliable data possible. With the data in hand, we can proceed to the next stage, data preparation. Data preparation is the third stage in the life cycle, and it's here where the real work begins. This stage is all about tidying up. Think of it as spring cleaning for your data. We scrub away the unnecessary elements, polish the useful bits, and arrange everything in a way that makes sense for our analysis. Now, cleaning isn't just about removing what we don't need, it's also about handling what's missing. In the world of data, missing or inconsistent elements can skew our analysis, leading us down the wrong path. That's why in this stage we take care to fill in the gaps and harmonize the discordant parts. Then comes transformation, where we shape our data into a format ready for analysis. This could mean changing the scale of values, creating new variables, or even restructuring the entire data set. Once the data is cleaned and transformed, we move on to the exciting part, data analysis. The fourth stage of the life cycle is data analysis. This is where the magic happens. Our data scientists roll up their sleeves and dive deep into the data, applying statistical methods and machine learning algorithms. These tools help them to sift through the sea of information, identifying patterns and uncovering hidden insights. They might use techniques like regression analysis to find relationships between variables, or clustering algorithms to group similar data points together. This stage is all about making sense of the data, transforming it from a mere collection of numbers into meaningful insights. It's like piecing together a puzzle, and with each piece that falls into place, our understanding of the problem deepens. After analyzing the data, we can then communicate our findings. The final stage of the life cycle is communication. This stage is where the magic happens. It's the culmination of all our hard work. It's not enough to simply have findings and insights. We must be able to effectively convey them to others. This is where the art of storytelling comes into play, transforming complex data into a narrative that everyone can understand. Data visualization tools can be an invaluable ally in this endeavor, allowing us to present our data in a visually appealing and easily digestible manner. Whether it's a simple bar graph or a complex heat map, these tools help us break down the barriers of complexity and make our findings accessible to all. And that, my friends, is the data science lifecycle, a process that transforms raw data into valuable insights.